Hey, what's going on, guys? Calvin Russell here, CEO and founder 850 Club Credit. So excited to see you guys on today. For those of you who don't know, we do have our home buying event, our virtual home buying event this March 26th, which is going to be this Saturday. So super excited to have many of you learn more about the home buying process. But just so you guys know, of course, number one, this event is free. So I got the link down below. So go ahead and feel free to register. Since it's virtual, everybody on the planet can watch this particular, seminar. So, but either way, super excited about it. We're going to have our lender on there to go over the entire process of what it's like to get pre-approved. Of course, I'm going to be speaking from the real estate agent standpoint and, of course, giving some free credit tips along the way as well. But letting you guys know what scores need to be in place and some quick things you can do to get your score up to where it needs to be ASAP. What credit bureaus to check so you can actually see what the banks see before even getting your credit ran, right? Also, our preferred attorney is going to be on there as well to talk about how to have the right legal team. I know some of you all may have access to attorneys, but are they the right attorney for a real estate transaction? And a couple of other fun things as well too will be mentioned there as well. So, but either way, not only should you be there, but make sure you tell your friends, your family, share this information as well too. If you're looking to go into home ownership, and it doesn't have to be this year. It could be next year. It could be 5 years from now. But at least you have the information because you know how our homeowner events do. Many people, even from YouTube, have watched our previous home buying webinars and they have learned enough and have closed on their homes. And you guys have kept us posted via email and sending us photos and tagging us on Instagram and Facebook. So we greatly appreciate that as well. So see you guys this Saturday. And of course, we'll be actually interviewing some of the speakers as well too. But I'll see you guys this Saturday.